Why is my Roblox gift card not being accepted?
Hello, Roblox users. In today's video, we'll be discussing why your Roblox gift card might not be accepted and what steps you can take to resolve this issue. If you've been scratching your head over this, don't worry. This is a common issue and there are ways to sort it out.
Why isn't my Roblox gift card being accepted?
First off, let's understand why your Roblox gift card might not be accepted. There could be a few reasons for this. Invalid code. The code you entered might be incorrect. Make sure to double-check the digits and characters of your gift card code. Used code. If the code has already been redeemed, it cannot be used again. Ensure that the card is new and hasn't been used before. Regional restrictions. Some gift cards may have regional restrictions and can only be used in certain regions or countries.
How can I solve these issues?
Now that we understand the reasons, let's move on to how to solve these issues. Verify the code. Double-check your gift card code and ensure it is entered correctly. Check the card status. Verify that your gift card hasn't been used before. If you are not the first owner of the card, ask the previous owner or the seller. Ensure regional compatibility. Ensure the card is compatible with your region. If the gift card was purchased in a different region, it might not work in your current region.
What if my gift card still doesn't work?
If you've checked everything mentioned above and your gift card still doesn't work, it's time to contact Roblox customer service. They can assist you in determining whether there's a technical issue with your gift card or provide further guidance. In summary, while issues with Roblox gift cards can be frustrating, they're often easy to resolve by checking the gift card code, its status, and its regional compatibility. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox customer service. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your gift card issues. Happy gaming!